guys, so I just got out of work and now we are trying to fly home before it gets dark so we can shoot over to Foster Avenue Bridge and catch some fish. Now I am literally driving to the fishing spot. We're gonna try fishing under a bridge today. Hopefully we're not confronted by any homeless people or anything like that. I know it's winter, but believe it or not, these guys live under these bridges all winter long. So if there are, we may try to fish by them. I have in the past, but ideally there wouldn't be. I'm trying to catch some crappie, some bass, some panfish. We're gonna hit something along those lines. There used to be, I haven't hit this spot in a while, there used to be a lot of shopping carts, things like that, in the water there that the fish can hide around. Nice structure. We are headed there now. We are on a bit of a time restraint. Like I said, I got out of work, I rushed home, I grabbed all my things, and now we are headed to the spot. It is 4:10. I will probably get there about 4:25, 4:30, and it's supposed to, the sun's supposed to set about 5, so we'll see what happens. So there's a CTA station here to the left, and then there's Holmgren Athletic Complex here to the right. So we're gonna go into the street here. So if you look on that right side over there, this is one thing you want to pay attention to. That means a no-no. So you're gonna keep going down, because I'm deaf, I don't have that permit. So that means we're gonna have to be able to park on this left side here. We're gonna have to do the same thing this guy's gonna do. So that guy actually ended up taking the closer one up there, so we're gonna take this one here. All right. All right, well, apparently that's private property now. So we're gonna head somewhere else and try. Oh, nice. Oh my God. So right now we're on East River Park. That's where we were gonna go over there, that Foster Bridge. It's now occupied, no longer a public fishing area apparently. So we're gonna head down here and jig around and see if we can catch anything. There are a lot of birds over here because there's so many people that come by and feed them. So that's always a good potential for carp. They'll sit under them and even try to get the crumbs. But today I literally just brought a few minnow jigs, and we are only going for predator fish. So we'll see what happens. I wasn't really planning on doing this much walking today, but we're at the spot. Alright, we got nothing over here yet. Using this little marabou jig. The water is obviously very cold, and it is very cold. So I did purchase a mini toy drone just to kind of try things out, get a new perspective. So I think I'm going to try that out now, and then we will try the opposite side of where that homeless man made his new home, of the Foster Bridge. We'll try that side before we leave. That's the plan. Time to move on. Look, a fish just jumped right there, bro. Can't say we didn't try. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna post this either way, even though we didn't catch anything today, because I need to get better at not only storytelling, but also my video editing. So be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in a few days. Alright guys, it's never fun not catching anything, but it's always great to learn. So we did do a little bit of drone flying today. It was actually my first flight, which is awesome. And unfortunately, one of my winter holes, the Foster Bridge near Kedzie over here, has been completely taken over by, it looks like, a few homeless people. And not only that, but they have a no trespassing sign, and as well they have a bunch of wires going across the trails. Pretty sketchy. So we will try somewhere else next time. Alright guys, so I just peeled my orange. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Stay healthy.